So today I have my very first fashion DIY for this channel. I see this trend going around on YouTube where you declutter your wardrobe and you take the items that you do not want anymore and kind of like revamp it into new clothes. And I thought I would just share with you guys what clothes I want to revamp. I do have some sewing skills, so I hope that really benefits me because today we are not using a sewing machine at all. So I bought this top in the thrift store and I really like the print on it. I think the print is really pretty. It's a nice paisley print, and initially when I bought it, I already knew that I wanted to wear it as a tied top, but it doesn't fit nicely, especially on the back. The back just does not look really flattering. So I know definitely that I want to like DIY this top. So let's see if I can do it. First things first is you want to lay your top flat. What you're going to do is we're essentially just going to cut down the back. So we're gonna cut like a square like this. I want to make a little border for it just so that it has a nice finish in the back. Let's do it. So let's try to make a straight line, and it's better just to take things slowly. You see, it's there. I feel like I could go a tiny bit higher. Then what we're going to do is we're going to make a diagonal cut from here to here. So now what we're going to do is just make a hem all around. Now we have some white thread. Do a straight line, bearing in mind that whatever you stitch is going to show on the other side. This part is very tedious, but I really like it. It's very calming. Remember, this is all hand sewn. Obviously, if you have a machine, just do it with your machine. I have just finished sewing all the hem, as you can see. I want to pin this part with like a little thread. I definitely want to cut off these buttons. The way that I'm gonna wear the top, like, I don't need them. And voila. This one's done. So this is how it looks. And now we're going to tuck it in with your bra. And there you go. That looks so cute. So this next one is really simple. It's just a black tee with a V-neck. And what I'm thinking about doing here is I saw a DIY online that you can also make this into a wrap top. I just want to have as many wrap tops as possible. This next one is really simple. No stitching is needed, just cutting. We're going to cut right in the middle so that we can open it. Now we have this. We're going to cut like this square. Exactly kind of what we did with the other one. This time we're not doing the hem. Fold it this way, so that when you're cutting, everything kind of cuts similar. Okay, so I like the length of it. Now what we're gonna do, again, cut it diagonally. I want to remove the neckline and the sleeves. Yes, I think we got it. The t-shirt, as you see, it's like this. We're gonna do basically the same thing. Knot it first. Tuck one underneath. So this dress, I bought it in a thrift store in London, and when I saw it, I really love the halter neck. I just really love like strappy strings. They look super cute. I think what I'm gonna do is crop it, and then I'm gonna make a matching skirt. Let's see if I can do something cute with that. So first of all, let's do the halter top. So we're gonna lay it down flat on the table. Already you can see that this is where the waist is and this is where it's going to cinch in. Bye dress, I hope I don't fuck you up. I kind of like it inside out too, because it's like an all black halter neck. So in that case, we're gonna make it a little bit more complicated. Basically, we're gonna fold this one inwards and this one inwards too, and then bring it together and make sure that it all looks pretty. I'm so excited that this can be a two-way halter neck. So cute. Now, because we can't see the seam, you have to really feel it out. Having the pins here really do help so you can see what's actually catching it or not. I've lost my needle as well. Oh, here it is. So now we're gonna turn inside out, and now we have the skirt. So first things first, let's do the hem. Turn it inside out to make all our lives easier. This fabric is pretty stretchy. I'm just going to go all around and just... So the next thing I'm gonna do that I said that I really did not like is the end of the skirt. And this is the two-piece set. Now I'm going to flip this top inside out, and I'm gonna put a pair of jeans and I'm gonna see how it looks like. And this is the top reversed. Isn't it so cute? So that's all. I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. This was really fun. I actually really missed sewing. It's been a very long time since I last sewed something. That was really fun. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have DIY'd anything and what have you done, because that'd be pretty cool. Maybe it'll give me more ideas. But anyways, thank you always for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, if you want, you can follow me on my Instagram down below. So go check it out, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!